Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, can you cut a wooden plank using a chainsaw? I have a mini chainsaw and that's what I'm gonna try. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. So guys, again, like I would say, if you're doing anything like that, you should have proper protection, like eyes protection, very important, hand gloves, everything is really important, because once this saw moves, it creates a lot of vibration. So if you have a clamp to hold a wooden plank, that is also very important. It's my home garage and not a workshop, that's why I don't have it, but still I'm gonna try it. Okay, so the key is, like, the more stable your wooden plank is, better it's gonna be. Okay, but eye protection is very important. Put protective glasses on your eyes so that the particles that come out when the saw moves don't like impact your eyes. All right, gonna hold it as hard as I can, and I have the saw ready, and I'm gonna begin with. Oh wow, right away it started cutting. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Wow, it was much faster than other saws that I have seen. But again, it depends upon your saw also, and how good your chain is. So yes, it can be done, and you see that it was done. But yes, if your clamp is stable and you can hold it nicely, it's gonna cut better. So thanks for watching this, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.